Harriet Tubman was born into slavery in Maryland around 1822. From a young age, she faced harsh conditions, but her spirit remained unbroken.
Did you know you can create your own AI-powered story generator app for free? In this very video, I'm going to simply show you how you can build one using DeepSeek and Google AI Studio and monetize with either AdMob, AdSense, Adsterra, and lots more. Alright, in this video we'll cover everything from setting up your development environment and also integrating this AI with this very application. Okay, so as you already know, AI powered apps are all high in demand, and a story generator app is going to simply help you. And this particular application which you're going to build can help writers brainstorm ideas. Students can also use this to create stories and also write assignments. Okay, and even kids can also use this for entertainment by creating kids entertainment stories and all of that. Okay, so for this particular project, I'm going to simply be showing you the prompt that I use for this, how to generate your API code, how to integrate your API code to your code, to a web app and also a mobile application without writing any single code. And remember, you can simply use this particular application to generate lots of AI story videos for yourself on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and all of that. Okay, so if you're ready, let's get into the video right away. Head over to DeepSeek, then register your account on DeepSeek. Then you click on the start button. You can see right here, if you scroll up right here, this is the prompt you're going to simply give DeepSeek, and I'm going to simply show you all the things that I did. This is the prompt: generate a modern animated AI story application using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in one code block. Okay, the app should include the following features. We're going to simply be integrating this with Google AI Studio API. Okay, and the best part is that this API is 100% free, and I'm going to simply show you how to create yours. And for you to get this prompt, you can simply click the link in the video description. It's going to simply take you to the website where you can copy this prompt, or you join us on a Patreon to get all the prompts of all my videos. All right, so when you copy the prompt, this is what it's going to simply generate for you. You can show here, this is the AI code block that it gave me. All right, and if you click on this copy button, you can copy it, but if you don't want to copy it, just go down and see how it's gonna simply look like, because this is not the end of it all. Okay, so if you click on this run HTML, you're gonna show here, this is AI story generator. If you click on that, let's say generate add that, then click on generate button. It's going to simply tell you fail to generate, because there are things you're going to simply do for this to work. Okay, so you can show here, these are the details I added in that particular prompt. You can as well go ahead and remove it, or you add more details to your own. Right, so let's click on this. This is not working yet. We're going to simply make it to work by integrating an AI. Okay, so since this didn't work, I went ahead to add this instruction section. They said this is what we're going to simply do. We're going to simply sign up on Google AI Studio API. All right, we're going to simply replace this AI Studio API key with the API key we're going to simply get. Okay, if you scroll up right here, you're going to see this is where it says API key. You can see the API key. That is the only reason why that is not working. Okay, but integrating the API key is not just simple. All right, there are things you have to do. Okay, so for you to get the API key, just go over to your Google and you search for Google AI Studio. When you search for that, this is what you're going to simply see. Then click on this API key. When you click on the API key, it's going to simply take you to your API where you can simply generate your own API key. Okay, just click on this generate button. As you can show here, I already generated my own. If you can click on this generate API, and when you generate that, you're going to simply save your API somewhere, because you're going to be making use of it. Okay, when you save that, then come back here. All right, so this is my own API here, which I've already saved on this very section. Come back to your DeepSeek. So I went ahead to tell it to give me more design, because I didn't like the design they gave me first. Okay, if you click on this, you're gonna see this is how the design look like. There's no button here, there's no generate story and all of that, there's no language selection, tone, style, and all of that. They didn't add it, so I went ahead to scroll down here to tell them to add more details to that particular AI application. Okay, so this is what I wrote. I want the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code to have a select language option, select story type option, tone style option, and the generate button option too. Okay, please add other necessary features for this app. So I went ahead to send that, and this is what they said here. They've already given me all the features I want. Okay, so if you scroll down right here, this is the code they generated. This is the updated code they generated. If you click on this run API, you're going to see right here, it has already given us the English selection. We can select both English or French or maybe German All right, so if you wanted to write in Germany, or maybe if you wanted to write in Spain language, in Spanish, you can simply select that, but I prefer English. For the story type, you can select adventure, mystery, romance, science story type. Okay, you can select any of these. When you select that, you can see right here we have the format. You can go for casual, humorous, dramatic, inspirational. Then you can simply click on this generate. Remember, we've not even added the API code. Okay, the API code has not been added, and for you not to make any mistake, we're going to simply use DeepSeek to handle all of these things. Okay, so remember, I told you I'm going to simply give you the link to copy all of the prompts. You can click the link in the video description, the first link there, or you check out the pinned comment to copy the prompt. That is the latest update for this app. We added buttons and other features. Okay, after getting all of the details and you're satisfied with the application or the code, the way it looks, okay, you have to make sure you copy your API. All right, so your API is what you're gonna simply generate from this very section. This is how your API looks like. Okay, then you have to simply copy it and also copy this. All right, and remember, this is the instruction they gave for this particular API to work for you. Don't just copy only this particular API and come back to DeepSeek and add it right here. Don't do that. They said here on this particular Google API that you should go ahead and copy this, and you have to make sure you integrate this to that particular code. Okay, and this is where your code, your API should appear. This very section is where your API should appear. That is your Gemini API. Okay, so for you not to make any mistakes, you need to copy this, give it back to DeepSeek. For instance, I copied mine own. When I copied mine, you can show right here, this, I told it this is my API key, which is this, which I've already added here, and this is the instruction on adding it to the code above. Okay, then I went ahead to paste this particular stuff right here, which Google API gave us. So this is what I wrote at the end part. So help me add this code with my API. Okay, then update the HTML, CSS, and also the JavaScript code. Okay, then automatically DeepSeek is going to simply detect the one that is your own API, which is this one right here, and also the call instruction. All right, so the call instruction is also going to be here, and if you scroll down right here, you can see our API has been added, and the Google generative blah 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 language here has also been added on this very section. Okay, and if you come to this section and click on this run API, add the same story you wanted to add. Let's say generate a romantic story of, then you add anything you want to add. Okay, but if I would just tell it to generate a romantic story, it's going to simply generate something that I would like. Okay, let's say romantic, then English is the language, then I'm going to simply select romance from here, then format should be just let's say casual, or maybe let's say dramatic. Okay, then click on this generate story, just give it a while, then this is going to simply start writing. Now you can see right here the story has been generated, and if you come to this section, just copy this particular story and use it for anything you want to use for. All right, you can simply copy this story and head over to InVideo to generate a full video for this. Okay, this is basically how this is going to simply work. The app is 100% working now, but for us to make money with it, we're going to simply convert this particular app to a web app and also a mobile application. All right, so if you want to do that, you need to simply go ahead and click on this copy button, and the next thing you have to do right now is simply head over to your blog website. I want to use my blog website for this. Come to this page section, click on all pages. You're going to add a new separate page for this particular tool. Okay, you can simply go ahead and click on add new page and add AI story generator as the title, because this is also going to simply start getting you traffic to your blog website, and also going to simply use this as a SaaS tool. So for you to get this done, you need to simply go ahead and create a separate page and click on the edit button to edit that particular page. Okay, for instance, if this is the page I've already created, then I'm going to simply go ahead and edit it. Then click on this plus button, select custom HTML. Okay, select that, then paste the code you've already copied from DeepSeek, which is already updated with our API. Okay, then when you select that, click on this save button. You can see it has been saved already. Then click on view page. All right, you can see right here this is basically working for us, and you can see right here this is how the story looks like, and we can simply go ahead and generate any other story you want to generate. For instance, if you want to generate a story about a war story, then select English as your language, then fantasy, let's say we want it to be dramatic, then click on generate. Okay, this is going to simply generate the story instantly. So even if you want to add a copy button right here at the ending part of the story, you can simply go back to DeepSeek, then tell it to add then hit on this send button. Let's see what's going to simply tell us right now. And some people would like to copy the story they've already generated. Remember, we're going to simply build a mobile app with this particular section right here is going to be monetized with AdSense, Adsterra, and lots more. And we can also add AdMob to it. Okay, so let's get back to the DeepSeek and see what it has already given us. It's generating the stuff for us, so let's wait for it. Remember, our API is all intact in this particular code. Okay, we just want to make some updates about this particular script so that we can be able to get a copy button after generating a story. Okay, let's wait for it. All right, so it has already given us all of this, so let's click on this run to make sure that this is working perfectly. Okay, let's say generate cat story, then click on this generate button. Let's see if there is any copy button that will pop up at the end part of the script or the story. Okay, you can see copy button is here now. Go ahead and click on copy, then come back to our website right here. We're going to simply edit this. Okay, Control A, then paste this. All right, then click on save, then click on view page, then generate crime story, then come to this section, format dramatic. All right, so let's say sci-fi, then click on generate story. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, you can see right here, this is the copy button here. The story has been copied. You can paste this particular story on your Google Docs, so then you can paste the story right here, okay, and use it for whatever you want to use it for. Okay, let's click on this paste button. You can see right here the story has been pasted. It's now cool and it is readable. All right, and this is cool. Okay, and the next thing we're going to do right now is simply go ahead and monetize it. Install this particular application, activate this, which is Adsterra. This Adsterra is going to simply help you to add ad code to your website. Okay, all right, so you can show here the website is already monetized, and for you to make money with AdMob, you need to convert this to a mobile application. So you need to do right now is simply go over to your website, then go over to your browser, then you're going to simply come over to this particular no code app builder website. Okay, so this particular website is going to simply help you to build an application without writing any single line of code. Remember, all the coding has been done by DeepSeek, and what we have to do right now is simply go ahead and click on this create an application. All right, we want people to also use this on their mobile phone. Okay, so if you want to go with HTML, make sure you copy the file that DeepSeek provided for us, the last one. All right, so copy this. When you copy that, go back to your application, then select HTML, paste it right here. But this is also going to work for Android device. Okay, it's either you go for this one right here or you go for Mobile. I've made a video on how you can monetize this. Okay, you're going to add the name of your application. Let's say AI story generator GPT. All right, so then for the email, you're going to simply add your email, where they're going to simply share the application after developing it. Okay, then click on this next button. You're going to simply add your AI app icon. You can use Canva to get your app icon, or you can simply select the one they've already given you here. Okay, then when you select your app icon, click on the next step. All right, then you're going to simply go ahead and add features to your application. Let's say you want to add WhatsApp, Facebook, TikTok, your blog. Let's select blog right here. Then I'm going to simply add my blog right here, which is this one right here. Let's select this one. Let's select this. Okay, click on copy, come back to this very section, go to your app section, paste it right here. All right, click on save. This is a WordPress blog. All right, so this has been added. You can simply go ahead and add Facebook, WhatsApp, blah blah blah. Okay, you can add your WhatsApp number here. Let's say I want to add my WhatsApp number. I can select my country WhatsApp number. Okay, then welcome message, then button contact us. Let's click on save button. It's also going to simply update on our application. All right, so just go ahead and click on this section right here that says download button. Okay, then you're going to simply receive the app on your email address. Okay, I've already made a video on how you can monetize these apps with AdMob. If you've not watched that video, just go ahead and watch this video showing you on your screen right now for you to get started with this. For you to get downloads to this application, I've already made a video on how you can publish your app on Amazon App Store, and this particular video right here you're seeing here is going to simply show you where you can publish your application and get downloads to it. Okay, so this is basically how it works. This is basically how you can create your mobile application that can generate storage without stress. Okay, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to this very channel, join us in the Telegram channel to stay updated on what we do here. See you in my next video.